Good morning, people. As a matter of interest, yesterday I was talking about the rivers, and I got engrossed with the two rivers meeting. Confluence it's called. I think that's the right pronunciation. And there it is, look. That's the Sarawi. And now one coming around the bend there is the Ebro. That's the Sarawi Valley up there. That's the Western Valley up here. I gotta make this quick because I don't think I'm supposed to be around here. On the floods the other day, all this was flooded. So it raised up above this banking and flooded that. It's looking quite calm now. The bridges, there's a little walkover bridge here, subsided on the one side. It's collapsed now. But it's Sunday morning and it's the calm after the storm, as they say. This was a big problem back in time for flooding. But if you look, see all the bricks in here? It may seem nothing to anyone looking at the river, but in the summer this is like a calm, do a lot of fishing. You can virtually walk across the other side there. Some areas where it goes pond-like, you can swim. It's clean water and trout are in there. Don't think many trout be swimming up river today. Confluence anyway. I better get out of here before the Wayneville warden. I've been threatened with him a couple of times. Funny about the dogs, like, because he's a big beast, this one. Wayneville Park, you know, Cross Keys. Oh, cricket club, eh? I'm not actually from Cross Keys, I'm from further down in Risca, and I always wondered where the word risca come from. Thinking back in the day it might be Roman, you know, risca, but it's not. It's a Welsh word, it's called risca or something, and the word derives from meadow at the bottom of the valley. That's perfectly what it is, look. Well, this is Cross Keys, but it does the same all the way down now. Right, so I've learned to pause. This is what I was on about, look, the straight look. You come around all the bends and down the valleys, and we're actually now at the top of Risca, Blackvein Bridge. And this is where this river on flood times, as we all know, basically rises up to the level of that pitch lock. It's already high now. But anyone listening to yesterday, what I was saying, look at the job we've done. In the 80s they put all that in. And without that, well, not so much here, but right at the end of the straight here is where it broke its banks. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to pause each way on the way down, just to show you the levels of it.